Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sinh from reviewssoftware.com. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a good looking thumbnail for your YouTube video. Right, so you can see right here, hold my thumbnail, I hold the thumbnail here, I have cut mine by my own. So in this video, I will show you do exactly the same, how to create very high convert thumbnail for your video. Okay, so you know when the people looking on the YouTube, so they see your thumbnail the first. Then your thumbnail is really important. That's decided for your customer decided they want to click to see your video or not. So in this video, I will show you how to create a good looking thumbnail for your video. This video is for beginner, and we're gonna make a thumbnail from scratch on Canva. Okay, so right now let's get started. So if this is something you're interested, stay with me to the end of this video. If you're first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I launch a new video, you get notification. So right now let's get started. Right, so first thing first, you gonna need to go to Canva. Okay, so what you need to do, just type Canva on the browser and then you click enter. Then the Canva on the top here, click on here. Then you go ahead to here. So what you need to do, log in and you can create an account. Okay, so create an account is really easy to do. So right here I already has account. So what I'm gonna do, I need to sign up with Google. Okay, you can sign up with Facebook. So right now I log in with my account right here. Alright, so when you first start, when you right here, this is the dashboard of the Canva. Okay, so here you can see a lot of images right here. So what you're gonna do is let's say I would change the language, because my language I change here in my local language. So you're gonna go here and change your own language. Okay, you're gonna change US and then gonna save. Then everything will change to English. Okay, so right, so this is the same dashboard when you go in here. So what you need to do, search on here thumbnail. When you just click thumbnail or whatever you search YouTube, you go ahead to here, that the thumbnail. So make sure you know the size for your video thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels. Okay, so this is, you can see here, you click here. So a lot of people out there will show you how to create a thumbnail from Photoshop or the other software. That's very hard to understand. So in this video, I'll show you just very easy and create very professional thumbnail here. You can see a lot of thumbnail here which you can use for yourself. Okay, you can use for yourself. Example, you can use for the travel, you can use this, and a lot of area. If you have WooCommerce, you can create your thumbnail something look like this, and a lot of more right here. Okay, and so right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose one from here, or you can create from scratch. Okay, create from scratch, and right now I'm gonna choose this. So and this software completely for free. Okay, completely for free, but there are some image you need to pay. Okay, so right here in this image I need to pay. Okay, so what I don't want to do, what I want to do, I edit what I need to pay. I delete this. Okay, this, because this I need to pay. When you hit download here, this is $1 for the image. This happened from the image. So right now I don't need this image, I just delete. Okay, you just click on there and then delete from your mouse. You can click here and then delete, something like that, delete right here. Okay, so right now I have the thumbnail right here. So what I'm gonna do, I change the color here. Okay, this is the color. I can change the color like this, change the color like this. Okay, then I can add more image inside here. I gonna upload right here. I'm gonna upload media. I'm gonna try. Then I go ahead to my computer browser here. I'm gonna choose an image for my let's see my photos. You see I have a lot of image right here. Okay, so right, so I can choose this image, for example, right? I can choose the image. You see here, this image I got. Okay, this is the image I have. Okay, if you wanna remove the background, this is very easy. Okay, now I go ahead to show you right now. So if you wanna remove the background you have, whatever you image have. Okay, so right now you need to go to a different website called remove.bg. okay, you're gonna this website, then this website will help you remove your background. Okay, so right now you go ahead to unlock image, and let's see, you have the image. For example, I wanna just do it easy. I have a lot of image right here. Okay, I'm gonna remove this image. For example, I'm gonna open, then this automatically help me remove my background. It's really easy. A lot of people show you how to remove background from the Photoshop, so that's very complicated. So here I show you to do this. It's really easy. So when this finished, you're gonna click here and then download. You're gonna download here, and you're gonna, right now I'm gonna say on desktop and save. You see I save out here, and then what you're gonna do, you go to your Canva, and you're gonna upload, and you're gonna upload media. You're gonna divide here, and then you're gonna desktop where you already save, and then you're gonna open. So you see here, I already removed the background that I have here. Okay, so right here I'm gonna delete this image, and I'm gonna up this image to here. You see here, this easy. Okay, very easy. For example, I gonna you can move this bigger or smaller right here, and this is, so this you can change. Okay, this I change the how to make this. For example, you can customize, you can move this down here, or you can how to make $100 per day. Okay, this is for example how to make $100 per day. This very simple right here. You see you can remove, or I will load this because it's just very easy. So you can change the color of the photo. Example, you can change over here. You go here, you can change here. You can see you can change red, and this you can change for something like this. Okay, and you also can put something over here. So what I'm gonna do, they have a lot of image that you can use over here too. You see a lot of image here you can use. You can go to the photo, then you also can search photo over here. This is go directly to Canva, where you can use the photo, but a lot of photo here you need to go to the pro, then you have add photo, but there are a lot of image still free right here. Okay, so right now I just do very simple. Right, I'm gonna add this to here, put here, here. I'm not sure. Let's do this. how I made, okay? How to make $100 per day. Okay, this is for example. You also can change the size. This is a size. You can change a different size right here. You can see here a lot of font. You can change the font. And this, I love this font for example. Then I also love this font, example like that. And I change this per day. You see, it's very easy to do. Okay. Easy to do, and of course you can customize, you can edit image. You go here, click on here, you go to the filter, that you can also edit the image whatever you want. Okay, so right now I'm gonna none, and right here they have filter. This thing can turn left, turn right, for example, like that. And there are a lot of things you can customize on here. I highlight recommend for you everything about here. Alright, so this is it's not very perfect, but you know, I like it. So this, I really like it. You can customize even more, but you know, I keep this simple. Then when you finish, you're gonna click on here, download. Then you're gonna choose PNG, okay, and then you're gonna click to here and then download. So this automatically download to your computer. You choose where you want to say. You can give the name, just make money, for example, make money, and I'm gonna save. Alright, so this is your first thumbnail for your video. Then you go ahead to your video here. You're gonna edit your audio. For example, I go here, I'm gonna edit my video. Then you can see here, this is the thumbnail. You click on here, you can go ahead to your where you already saved it right here, or you can bring from here to here. It's really easy. Okay, and right, so that's how you can create a very high convert, and people see your image, people see your thumbnail, you click on there and see what you are talking in your video. Okay, and right now I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna back to my channel. Then I'm gonna video, click to video. Then when you see here, this image is very good looking, and people wanna see, right? When people see how to make $100 per day, people will click on here and then see, right? So the thumbnail is really important, guys. Even your video is not very perfect, but when you have a thumbnail perfect, that you have a lot of people visit your video as well. Right, so that's really easy to do. When you go to Canva, you can start from scratch, or you can use whatever template here and from your niche you can use. Okay, so this is really easy to do. You can draw on here, you can put on here, put whatever you like, or you can add more video, add more image from your device, or add something in already on here. Okay, this is really powerful, right, in this software, and this software completely for free. Okay, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Okay, so make sure you go there and click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to Canva. Okay, right guys, I hope this video helpful. And you still here, and you're new to my channel, click subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.